Mind is shown the space inside the heart. You know the breath is moving naturally, and you declare through the intellect, Shantoham, with a meaning. Means I'm the peace. And just do nothing for a while. Live into that state of doing nothing. What does it mean in the state of doing nothing? You are in the state of knower, witness. You see, we return to the same which I was explaining, but witness consciousness. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. You're still there in that state. Bring your mind on the right hand. Bring your mind on the left hand. Raise both your arms. Place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences and bring the hands down. So, how are you, Charlie?
Hello, Girish. Um, Good. It's very interesting to me that the external mind, my external mind, it's almost like a trance that I fall into. That before doing this work, I felt like that was that was real, and that I didn't have any options. So it's quite, in a way, it's kind of shocking to me how powerful and how strong and how insidious it is. And it's a relief to know this, that I can come within, and actually that's the place to be that will give
Good.
me peace, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's a good revelation. This is what happens. You reveal your mind by after understanding and experiencing reveals. Oh, what I've been doing until now.
Right, right, because it seems so real, and well, it seems so real, like that's true.
Yeah, yeah. Imaginary problem seems so real,
Right.
but fact it is not.
No. So to have a tool to go, okay, we're just going to stop this for a minute. It's quite a shock. It's when it hit me, I was like, oh gosh. I spend so much time in, worry and concern and, don't we
Yes,
all,
yes,
I guess, but
yes, yes, I could see that.
very interesting.
Imaginary problem caused by the mental blindness.
Right. And that's another way of wording it, which I like. Mental blindness, it's a word that no one uses. I mean, you use it, but it's like, oh, okay, I'm just mentally blind. There's
Yeah,
nothing wrong with me. I've just got mental blindness.
yeah, nothing, otherwise nothing wrong with me. My physical eyes are intact.
Right.
Yes, 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 yes. You are getting it. That's wonderful. I appreciate it. How are you, me?
I feel an incredible amount of peace and just sort of like, oh, taking the blinders off. Nothing outside can really affect. What
Yes.
is that phrase you say? Nothing, say it again if you would. Nothing outside.
Yeah. The no, nothing outside, including people, situation, condition, can affect, can dictate me.
Yes, that's so powerful.
It is because we are consciousness outside the entire material world. We claim it, we understand it is matter.
Mm-hmm.
Matter is inert. Matter does not know itself, it cannot know others. So, how can it affect me? It
Mm-hmm.
is affected due to the mental blindness.
Yes. And to allow that peace that comes and balance when I don't go to that other place.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like so clarifying.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Wonderful. That is all for today. We'll meet again.
Mm, mm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.